Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. This month on ECK we have a Passover special Matzo Brei pizza. So let's go. Here's what you need. If you wanna see what sauce I'm using, check out this video. You can use any cheese you'd like and the toppings are up to you. As you can see, the matzo is quite stiff, so simply soak it in water or hold it under running tap for about 30 seconds till slightly softened. Then crumble away. Next, scramble the eggs with the spices, add to the matzo and combine well. Over medium heat, melt the butter. We want it medium so our pizza won't burn. Now add the matzo mixture and flatten it to get the pizza dough shape. Once firm and light brown, flip it over and start making the pizza. Add the sauce, toppings and cheese. I usually place the toppings under the cheese. As you can see, I went with garlic, jalapeno and green onions. Sounds weird, but it's an amazing combo. Trust me. Let the cheese melt and serve it while hot. Let me know what toppings you used and how your pizza turned out in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your family and friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!